First we need to check the database table is there or not. Now connect. Durga Tech / Durga Tech. Select star from employee. So now one record is there here. Okay, now I am trying to inserting one more record. Insert into employee values. Under that I am taken employee number 1002. The next employee name is Nani. The next salary is 3000. The next department is the 10th department. Over. Commit. The next select star from employee. One record is there here, right? Total 3 records are there. Now I am going to develop here procedure. How to develop? Create or replace. Create or replace procedure. Procedure name is PROC1. Procedure name is what? PROC1. Under that first INO in parameter number. The next name out varchar 2. The next is the next begin. The next select ename into name from employee where EMP number is equal to ENO. The next end of the PLSQL program, give the forward slash execute. Then procedure is created or not? Yes, procedure is created. Now we can call this procedure name in our application. Now we can develop the JDBC application. Import java.sql.star package. The next class procedure demo. Under that main method public static void main, then string aux throws exception. The next loading the driver class dot for name. Then next after that Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. Then next after that connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. Under that we can pass the URL JDBC : oracle colon thin colon @ localhost colon 1521 service id username and password Durga Tech and Durga Tech. The next comma Durga Tech. After that, create the callable statement object. Callable statement CST is equal to con dot prepare call. Under that, I am taken call PROC1. Under that, I am taken two question marks. One is input parameter, one is output parameter. CST dot set int. I am taken 1000 to 1 comma 1 is represented as first column. Then CST dot registered out parameter. Register out parameter. Under that, 2 comma types dot varchar. The next, CST dot execute. The next, after that, string ename is equal to CST dot get string. Under that, we can pass 2. Then next, after that, system dot out dot println employee name plus ename. The next, close the CST object. The next, close the con dot close. The next, close the main method, close the class. Now we'll see. Now I am going to saving, copy, Control S. So now here, what is our folder? Advanced Java video sessions. Video sessions for Advanced Java. Where is our folder? This is our folder. Now we can save it. .java. Then go to the command prompt, cd space video sessions for Advanced Java. Then Java C. What is that? Procedure demo. One error. What is that? Execute metadata. EXECUTE. Execute. Spelling mistake. So compilation success. After that, set class path equal to Oracle related path we can set here. semicolon dot semicolon. After that, now we can try to execute Java procedure demo. We are getting what? Durga tech not found. Somewhere else problem is there. Durga tech TSH Durga tech, that is valid only. Then what is the problem? No data found. We have to pass here what? 1002, not for 1001. That is the problem. Right? Now we are getting what? Employee name is what? Nani. Getting or not? So like this, we can call the procedures. We can call the procedure. Right? This is the way to call the procedures. So now this is the procedures concept. Then next here we will see the metadata. So before that metadata, first we will see the transaction management system. Okay, transaction management system. After that we will see the metadata. Transaction management system. Transaction management system. Right. Why to go for this transaction management system? Why to go for this transaction management system? In real time, so many applications are there. All the applications, this transaction management system is going to be used. You can take any application like a transportation related application. That means Indian Railways, APSRTC, TCSRTC. We can take any application. Okay, the inside that applications, they are applied to the transaction management system. For example, you can take banking application, SBI, SBH. We can take any project. So now maximum this transaction management system is helpful for you. Okay, they are used by this transaction management system. So first of all, what is the transaction? Transaction means a unit of work is performed by the front end application to back end application. Is nothing but a transaction. See now here, unit of work means this is the one application. Assume that this is APSRTC counter, Andhra Pradesh State Road Transport Corporation. This is APSRTC counter. Assume that. Now one customer wants to go to Hyderabad to Bangalore, or Hyderabad to Bombay, or Hyderabad to Bangalore, like that. So now if he want to go to the so and so place, so first of all he wants to reserving the one ticket. If he want to reserving the one ticket, now he is went to the so and so counter and he is going to be booking the ticket. How he is going to be booking the ticket? First this guy is asking to the counter master, hello sir, can you please give me the one ticket from Hyderabad to Bangalore? Now what that counter master will do? Counter master is going to be opening the website first of all. Open the website. Open the website. After opening the website, searching the tickets. After searching the tickets, if the tickets are available, book the ticket. Book the ticket. After booking the ticket, the next collecting the money. Collect the money. After collecting the money, then issue the ticket. Issue the ticket. Issue the ticket. After that, end of the transaction. End of the transaction. So now these many statements are there in one transaction. A transaction is nothing but a unit of work. A unit means this is one unit. A unit of work is performed by the front end application to back end application. A unit of work is performed by the front end application to back end application is nothing but a transaction. Is nothing but a transaction. Maybe Oracle database or MySQL database or DB2 or CDH customer data hub. A unit of work is performed by the front end application to back end application is nothing but a transaction. Request and response. Every transaction having two endpoints. Every transaction having two endpoints. Number one, success endpoint. Success endpoint. Number two, failure endpoint. Failure endpoint. Number one is what? Success endpoint. Number two is what? Failure endpoint. If all the statements are executed perfectly within this unit, then we call them as success transaction. This is one unit. Within this unit, complete statements are executed successfully, then we can say the term that is success endpoint. If any one of the statement is not executed, then we can say that is failure endpoint. Failure endpoint. If we want developing this type of applications, we have to follow some rules. What are the rules we are following here? Now we have to follow some of the rules called acid rules. Acid rules. What are the rules? Acid rules. Acid rules. A for atomicity, C for consistency, I for isolation, D for durability. We have to follow these four rules and we can implementing an application. If you are avoiding these rules, now it is not possible to developing the transaction related applications. Must and should we have to follow these rules and we can developing an application. See now here, A for atomicity. atomicity. What is this property saying? This property says that if execute all the statements within the transaction, executed successfully. Otherwise, don't execute the even single statement also. That is nothing but a atomicity property. So now, if 2 statements are executed, 3 statements are executed, remaining statements is not executed, not like that. What is this atomicity property says? If executing all the statements executed successfully, otherwise don't execute the even single statement also. Like that, atomicity property is going to be saying. So now, how it is going to be happening practically? How it is going to be happening practically? If we want to happening practically that information, we have to convert our application auto commit mode to non-auto commit mode. By default, our application is auto commit mode. We have to convert our application auto commit mode to non-auto commit mode. Then only that property is going to be satisfied. What is that property is going to be satisfied? If executing all the statements are executed successfully, otherwise don't execute the even single statement also. Okay, that is the one of the property. If we want to satisfying that property, must and should we need to convert our application auto commit mode to non-auto commit mode. Auto commit mode to non-auto commit mode. If we want to convert the auto commit mode to non-auto commit mode, now what we have to do in our application? In our application, we need to convert like this. What is that? After getting the connection object, we have to do this statement. Con dot set auto commit. Auto commit. Con means connection object. Set auto commit is the predefined method given by the connection interface. Set auto commit boolean value. Boolean value. Boolean value. If the boolean value is true, if the boolean value is true, then that application is auto commit mode. Auto commit mode. If our application is auto commit mode, then it is not possible to developing the transaction related applications. Must and should we need to convert our application auto commit mode to non-auto commit mode. If we want to convert our application auto commit mode to non-auto commit mode, inside this auto commit method, we can pass what? False. How it is? Con dot set auto commit false. False. Okay. Auto commit false. If we are passing the false, then we can say that application is what? Non-auto commit mode. Non-auto commit mode. That application says that non-auto commit mode. If our application is there non-auto commit mode, then only we can develop the transaction related applications. That means we can convert our application auto commit mode to non-auto commit mode. If we want to convert our application auto commit mode to non-auto commit mode, we can use this statement. Con dot set auto commit false. Then it is become non-auto commit mode. Non-auto commit mode. So now then only we can executing all the statements, otherwise cancelling all the statements. That is nothing but a atomicity property. Then second property, consistency. consistency, consistency. This property says that before the executing the transaction, after executing the transaction, database table must be state. That means constant. Before executing the transaction, after executing the transaction, before executing the transaction and after executing the transaction, database table must be constant. That means before executing this transaction, then database table we are going to deleting. Assume that if you are deleting the database table, then what is happening? If you are deleting the database table, how this transaction is going to performed? That means don't avoid that rule. Okay, don't avoid that rule. So database table must be constant before executing the statement, after executing the transaction. Database table must be constant. Okay, if you are avoiding that rule, then it is not working. That is not a transaction related application, right? That is not a transaction related application. So now that is nothing but a consistency, right? That is nothing but a consistency. Now the remaining two properties, isolation and durability, we will see the tomorrow session, right? Thank you. Tomorrow I will continue.